Hello, welcome to the first video in the rhythm section of this music theory tutorial series. Today we'll take a look at the 4-beat model. So when you look at a piece of music, written music, you will see that it has a lot of bars. So depending on the length of the music, you can have a lot of bars for that particular music. So any piece of music, any piece of written down music is really divided into bars, all right? And it can have 50, 60, 100, or even 1,000 bars, okay? So let's pretend that each bar is a rectangular box like this, okay? Very commonly in music, you would see that each bar is divided into 4 parts or groups, and we are going to call each part or group a beat. So this is a beat, this is a beat, this is another beat, and then another beat. And let's call this beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, and beat 4. Alright? And this whole thing put together is 1 bar. So that's what we are going to focus today. Some new terms here. This one with the body, solid body here, and then with a flag here, is actually called a quarter note. All right. So this is one of the most common notes that you'll find in music. So usually the way we count it is just by saying 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. We can also have quarter rests, meaning we don't have sound coming out from this beat and also this beat. So 1, you will get a sound. For second beat, nothing. So you just have silence there, all right? Third beat, yes. Fourth beat, no. All right. So 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay. So in case you're trying to make something really long, say you want to connect the first 2 boxes together, the first 2 beats, and also the third and fourth beat together, you can use the half note. So this time you'll have a hollow body here. You still have that stick here. And this time you'll go like 1, 3, 1, 3. You see I'm holding down the note. So if I play that on keyboard, it would sound like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. If I play example 2 with the keyboard, it would be something like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm stopping on beat 2 and 4. All right. So let's go to example 4. For example 4, you can also have half rests. So when I was first introduced to half rest, I was kind of confused because I'm always confusing this one to this one. So I finally figured out the way. So you can't go like this. Half hat. So it does look like a hat, right? So whenever you look at this one, it's a hat. You get a half rest. Okay. So for this one, you ring the first note. Say, let's do F this time. 1, 2, 3, 4. So 3, 4, they will get silent. Okay, you'll be silent for beat 3 and 4. They will get silence. And for beat 1 and 2, you will get a note ringing. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, off. 4. 1, 2, off. 4. 1, 2, off. 4. Okay, 2 more. Guys, what if you want to ring one single note throughout the bar? You can have whole notes. So this time just a hollow body circle with no stick, and that should give you the whole bar. So that would be like 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry. So that should be the whole note. Number 6, you have the whole res. So the whole res is just an upside down hat. All right. So it means that you have silence throughout the bar. All right. So nothing for the whole bar. So that's it for the 4-beat model here. So we have the first one. You divide everything into 4 groups. For each group, you can represent each box with a beat. And quarter note is just a solid body circle with a stick. All right. You have a quarter rest, half rest, whole note, and then whole rest. All right. Hope it makes sense. All right. I will see you in the next video where we talk about 8 notes and 16 notes.